Are you searching for the best steel tongue drum? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best steel tongue drum in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Tongue Drum 6-inch 8-tone mini ethereal drums, fun drum song, music instrument drum material, carbon steel, crafted from durable carbon steel. This 6-inch tongue drum offers a resonant, clear sound for meditation and music. Design and style, 8-tone D-key treble. Featuring an 8-tone D-key treble, this ethereal drum provides a unique musical experience for yoga and meditation. Accessories includes drum bag, sticks, finger cots. Comes with a drum bag, drumsticks, finger cots, and a cleaning cloth. For a complete percussion setup, applicable people, suitable for children and professionals. Designed for both children and professionals, this mini drum is a versatile instrument for all skill levels, usage, and purpose. Ideal for yoga and meditation. Perfect for yoga and meditation, this drum's soothing tones enhance relaxation and tranquility.